Constantly replacing lost water bottles, hats, and lunchboxes is not only expensive, it's stressful. And it probably leaves you thinking, does my child have ADHD? Parenting experts like Dr. Becky Kennedy and Dr. Dan Siegel say absent-minded kids may actually have a working memory that's underdeveloped. You can think of working memory as a mental to-do list that's used to hold temporary information as people switch from task to task. Because brain development isn't linear, your child might be brilliant at reading while their working memory is still under construction. And when kids get excited, stressed, or angry, that mental checklist just goes out the window. So let's have a look at 5 simple and fun habits that will help build your child's working memory and make your life a lot easier. Habit 1, the detective spin. Teach your child to build a physical habit every time they stand up to leave a location, whether that's a classroom, a playground, or a friend's house. Before taking a single step away from a chair or playmat, your child must freeze and do the detective spin. This means spinning around to look directly at the ground or seat they just occupied and scan the area while asking themselves, has anything been left behind? The rule is simple. You can't move forward until you've looked back. Habit 2, the magic number. Kids easily forget what to bring and what they have brought, but they can usually remember a single digit. So when leaving for school or a play date, help them discover their magic number. For example, you're going to a play date. You've got snacks, water bottle, jumper, hat, and a toy. That equals 5 items. This means their magic number is 5. So at the end of the play date, if they count only 4 items, then they know they are missing something. It's a lot like how teachers do that head count just to make sure they haven't forgotten anyone. Habit 3, the visual aid. If getting ready for school is a hassle, then a perfect one is to create a laminated checklist, and you can put icons, pictures, simple words to help them remember what they have to pack. So all they have to do is take a look at that tag that's attached to their front zipper and check the list off mentally or even with a marker. And this is something they can do before school and when the school bell rings, so they don't have to mentally scramble every time to make sure they've got everything. Habit 4. Verbal spotlighting. When kids do tasks silently, their minds wander and the task gets dropped halfway through. Speaking out loud forces the brain to focus on the current action, so you can teach your child to narrate what they are doing while they do it. I am picking up my iPad and putting it on the charger. Habit 5, micro missions. Kids can often struggle with broad instructions or too many instructions given at once. So saying things like, get ready for school, or put your shoes away, grab your hat, and meet me in the car, may actually overwhelm them. This is where I like to create micro missions. So instead of pack your bag for tomorrow, break it into mission 1. Put your homework folder in the bag. And once that mission is done, you move on to mission 2. You can help them write the micro missions down on a whiteboard or paper, and you can tick it off one by one. And that's it. These are simple habits, but extremely life-changing when you use them. Be sure to grab my free visual guide of these exact 5 habits in the description below. And let me know how you go in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to sharing and solving more parenting pains with you.